Hello everyone, thanks again for tuning in. Today I'm going to go up to our log cabin and check on it after a snowstorm we had up here in northern Minnesota. A few days ago we had up in this area 8 inches. Yesterday we had 3 to 4 inches, and today it looks like it's going to snow another 2 inches, so that'll be about 14 inches of snow in total. So I figured I'd go check on it. When I get there, the road, I won't be able to drive in, but I'll walk in. It'll be about 7/8 or 8/10 of a mile. Won't be too bad. So yeah, I'll see you when I get up there. Thanks again. Made it. Start walking. About halfway to go. These deer tracks are just from last night, but you can tell they love going down this road frequently. I have a trail cam, so I'll be showing some pictures of deer that are on there, so a little ways to go still. We made her. There she is. Just how I left it. We got neighbors who go through our yard because the state trail's right here. Go through there. Just like how we left it. We'll get these baseboard heaters going for a little bit, run them a little bit, and then make some lunch here, shovel out some things, and then yeah. As you can see, it is negative 2.4 degrees Fahrenheit outside. I think that's around 19 degrees below 0 Celsius. Correct me if I'm wrong, but in my log cabin tour video, I never showed you guys the inside of this bunkhouse we have, so I'll show you pretty quick. She's frozen. Just simple enough. Shut it very quick and show you. Two bunk beds. Simple enough. Hello. This is my favorite part of the cabin right here, as you can tell why. Nice little bar. And this is the most important thing we have here. Yeah, self-explanatory. Show you inside quick. Got a nice luxurious one. Nice Corona sign. And a little heater in the winter if it's a little cold. I know in my log cabin tour I didn't show you all the outbuildings in here, so if you want me to come back in the spring when all the snow's melted and show you everything again, and then mount the tripod to make it more still and show you the inside of the camera again, or the cabin again, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to do it for you guys. There's the road I just walked down, and here we have the trail cam. Points towards the state trail where snowmobilers go by, but I don't care about the people. I care more about the animals showing up. We got some nice whitetails, some bobcats. In the summer, a lot of black bears coming in, so it's nice to see them roam around. As you can see on the trail cam, lots of deer action coming in, lots of snowmobilers, more likely the neighbors. Stays busy around here. And if you can guess what that is with the tippy ears, leave it in the comments. Mix it with the hand. Tastes delicious. Add another minute to warm up the breadstick and the noodles some more. There we go. Looks like a nice hot little meal on a cold day. Looks great. Just got done with lunch. And the snow's coming down a bit harder now. It's quite beautiful now. trail cam is all set up. I'm gonna start packing things up and putting things away here at the cabin and start heading out. Well, everything's packed up. I'm gonna turn the lights off and we're gonna head out of here. It was a fun 2-3 hours here, but I gotta go back and shovel some snow pile a little bit, so shut the door here. She's locked and they're shut. Bye for now, cabin. We'll see you the next time. It's coming down hard now, the snow. Bye, cabin. We'll see you soon. Made her. All right, everyone. Thank you guys again for watching. We made it finally to the vehicle right there, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks again. Bye.